Okay, here's a lesson on how to feed the swivel sisters. Like, look at those crazy little mouths. This is the fruit, and we will start with nectarine. That's a favourite. Number 1, down the hatch. Number 2, yes, yum. Well, not that easy. And number 3, whoops, dropped it. No, there, alright. Second one is great. I've got Biggles sitting on my shoulder, supervising. Sometimes he comes right down on my hand. Ready for some grapes? Good. Some grapes, yeah. Blueberry, yes please. Blueberry for you, Yum. And blueberry for you. Still hungry? Oh yeah, we're not even halfway through yet. Strawberry. Got this lovely fruit salad in their tummies. Strawberry. And, oh, slowing down, less noisy. You giving up? Yes, got one nearly full. Alright, last one for you then is some tomato. Cool. You're still going? What about you, darling? You want to, but you're full. Good. Alright. No, you can't have any more. I can see it poking out your mouth. That's gross. You can. So there we go. That's how we do it. And sometimes Biggles, he's out. Not today though. He comes down on my hand and helps feed them. Just sits on my fingers while I feed them. Yeah, I thought you'd enjoy that. And I can tell that they're full because I can still see food down their little swivelly mouths. And they sort of shake it down their throats. But I know, it's done. I can see tomato, you're full. Yeah. And Summer's supervising, and so is Scout. Cool. Alright, see ya.